After hundreds of years of peace, the universe has never seen a threat quite like this.
Bite?
Earth didn't know what was coming.
Uh-oh! Almost missed it.
Only one team can save Earth from its weirdest threat yet. Starring be a part of the action. Donate to help more animals find their eternal destiny.